Hello everyone, my name is Mars. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with a brand new video. Today I'm gonna discussing about how to make a G Suite account and how to link your G Suite account to your business email. So just three simple easy steps, and follow the steps, you can make easily your business email. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Here we on the Chrome, open the Chrome and open the Google Workspace www.googleworkspace.com, and here's the official website of Google Workspace. So first of all, here go to this, check out the solutions, what are they giving us, and we will read some more about this. What included with Google Workspace, formerly G Suite. Similar to G Suite, all Google Workspace plans provide a custom email for your business and include collaboration tool like Gmail, Calendar, Meet, Chat, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Form sites, and more. For additional details, visit our plans and pricing page. So, products that I've discussed, that Gmails, calendars, Drive, Meet, Docs, Sheets, Chats, each products they were giving in just one plan. They can also give the app access. You easily can access to their apps. So Gmails means the custom business email, the your main motto, your main business email that you have to connect to your blogger websites and other websites. And they were giving also other things like calendars, shutter calendars, drive, cloud storage were used in your offices and your storages, that you have to store your data and you can pick out your data from anywhere in the world. Meet, you can video call and voice conferencing from one end of the world to the another. Docs, word processing, spreadsheets for your informations, for everything spreadsheet is used. Slides and chats, message and terms. You can also see all apps. These are the apps all. So is here we discuss that the can any company try Google Workspace before committing? Absolutely, all plans features are free 14-day trial, so you can start to see the value of Workspace before signing up. Click here to start your free trial. How do I sign up for Google Workspace? If your business with less than 300 employees, you can get started online today. Companies with more than 300 employees can contact sales to learn more about our enterprise plans. Here we're discussing about pricing, that they were giving $6 USD. In this package they were giving custom and secure business email, 100 participant video meetings, 30 GB cloud storage per user, security and management controls, standard support. On the other side, in the $12 USD they were giving custom and secure business email, 150 participate video meeting recording. In this they were giving 100 participate video meeting. In this one they were giving 150 participate video meetings, 2 terabyte cloud storage per user, security and management controls, standard support and paid upgrade to enhanced support. They were giving in this package enhanced support. Customers in this package of $18 USD, custom and secure business email plus e-discovery retention, 500 participant video meetings plus recording, attendance tracking, 5 terabyte cloud storage per user, enhancement security and management controls including vault and advanced endpoint management, standard support, paid upgraded to enhanced support. and you can also customize your package through this if you have more than 300 employees. When you create your packages like $6 you have to want to create, you put your business name and etc everything you have, and then when you create, then go to this website. It's named to improve.mx. You have to put your domain name and your business email here, that how to connect your domain to your business email. I For example, I have to open this website, then go and just copy this one, copy and put here, and then you put your email, like I have randomly putting the email, mm, John Rick at the rate of outlook.com. Sorry, gmail.com. This field is required. Oops. Here we have created. I On the other step, they will send you a notification to your website's email and to your email that I have connected on this johnrick@gmail.com. So this is a random website. This is not my own website. I have put this, and email forwarding needs setup. Then here is a priority and the value. When you make your Gmail means business email, they were at the end they were questioning about the priority and the value. So you have to put your first priority and first value, then second priority and the second value, and at the last they were discussing about that provide us the txt. You have to copy this all and then put it and gone. You have easily make your domain and your business email and how and connect each other as a professional. So this is a little information, and I have discussed in just 8 minutes. So hope so you like this video, and if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too for my new notification updates. Till then, take care. Goodbye.